Hey guys, it's Destiny Nicole. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I real quickly wanted to come and talk to you guys about me and my weight loss goals for right now. So I'm currently in, I guess you could call it a maintenance phase, but I'm also not trying to gain weight. So I'm currently 136 pounds. The last time I weighed myself, I was probably about 136, 137 pounds. And I'm trying my best to maintain that. So I did a little mini grocery haul today. My fridge is just about empty, but I did a mini grocery haul today at Walmart, and I want to real quickly go over what I bought with you guys and how I'm going to be using these foods that I bought to help me reach my goals, and also how I'm going to be using, I guess, the food throughout the week. I spent a total of $27.59 at Walmart today, and I don't have a whole lot. Like I said, this is just a mini grocery haul. I did not buy a whole lot, but let's go ahead and get into it. Got this little chicken right here. It's the, look at my dog. Look at her, look at her, look at her. This is the lemon pepper rotisserie chicken from Walmart. If your Walmart has a deli, I'm pretty sure they got one of these. You can get the lemon pepper or traditional one. So what I mainly do with these is I buy one for the dogs, they'll have it, but you can also use this as a meal prep idea. If you don't mind the extra skin on the chicken, I do. Like if I ever meal prep with this stuff or have it as like part of any of my meals, I will always take the skin off, because now for whatever reason, if there's too much skin on chicken, it takes away from like the flavor of the chicken. Am I the only one? But anyway, I got this chicken right here, and it was probably around $6 or $7. But if you want to be like a lazy girl or a lazy meal prepper, you can easily cut this up and pair it with like rice or veggies or something and do like a meal prep bowl or a meal prep for the week. You could probably get about 5 or 6 days worth of chicken off of this whole chicken. Like I said, it was only around $7 or $8, but I'll probably be having like maybe some of the breast because it's a leaner meat. And y'all know I'm not too crazy about the skin on chicken anymore. Like these days, I really love lean meat. So I'll probably be taking the skin off of the breast and putting it into a meal prep tray and eating this that way. Next thing I got are these chicken breast tenderloins. So I love that Walmart has stuff like this, because you can get a really big pack of chicken for only like, this is probably around $9.50. You can get a really big, I can eat off of this for probably about a week, but I'm probably not gonna eat chicken breast for an entire week. Like, let's just keep it real. I'm probably just going to cook half of these and put the other half in the freezer in a little Ziploc baggie, so that I have something to eat on the next time I'm craving chicken breast tenderloins. I've been really into muscle prepping. I've been really into muscle building here recently. I've been lifting more weights, and that has kind of caused a little bit of a spike in my appetite. I have been eating a few more calories, and I, for whatever reason, have been craving very lean chicken with not a whole lot of fat in it. And I'm gonna just listen to my body and trust that my body knows what it's talking about and have some of this chicken breast tenderloins, so that I'm craving lean chicken. So I picked up a pack of this, and y'all, I'm telling y'all, I've had this before. I'm probably just gonna pull the tenderloin part out of it, like the I don't know what you call it, that little thing out of it, because it just messes up the chicken for me. But probably gonna pull that out of there and prep these up for prep up half of these for the week. And I'll probably pair it with like some vegetables or something. I don't know. I don't care about having I don't care about having fresh veggies or cut my veggies up from the produce section of the store. I can do fresh, I can do canned, I can do frozen. So I picked up a few canned goods today. I just went with the Great Value brand. This is the whole kernel corn. I actually got 2 of these whole kernel corns, and I'll probably be making like little power bowls and stuff with this. I love corn. Corn for me helps me poop a little bit more. It's so good. It adds a little bit of flavor to whatever meat you decide to pair it with. So yeah, I just got 2 cans of this, and I'll either be having this as a side or having like a power bowl or something like that. are black beans. I love black beans. So I knew nothing really much about black beans until I started going to Chipotle. I haven't been to Chipotle in a long time, but you know you can put black beans in your bowl at Chipotle. So I'm like, I'm gonna try some black beans and just see what they taste like, and I ended up loving them. I'll also add some of this into my power bowls, or if I'm feeling like some Mexican food or something, I'll have some black beans. And guys, these are so good. I always get the ones without the salt in it because I like to add my own little seasonings and stuff to it. But yeah, I got 1 can of these, and this was less than $1 a can. And like I said, I'll probably be having it with a bowl, or maybe putting some with my tacos. I may decide to have tacos this week. I don't really know. I'm just showing you guys what I bought. So when I'm at work, I really love to have something quick and easy, something that I can just pull out of some paper and chomp on. I've been really loving Colby Jack cheese, or just like square cheese like this in general. So these are the Colby Jack sticks. I've never heard of this brand, but I wanted Colby Jack sticks, and this is what I found. It's 90 calories per stick, and I'm probably going to be taking these to work with me. I'll have this on my lunch break, just something to hold me over until I can get home and have like my real meal, you know what I mean? This is just the tie me over snack. So I picked up a pack of these. This used to be an oldie but a goodie for me. This is the minute rice. You don't have to get white rice. They got brown rice flavors. I think they got quinoa, jasmine rice. Jasmine rice is my all-time favorite rice, but I couldn't find any at the store. So I got this white rice. It was like $1.90 or something for these 2 cups. I never use a full cup in my meals. I maybe use half a cup, and then I'll save the other half of it for another day. But a whole cup of rice is just too much rice for me to consume at one time. But I'll probably be adding these to my power bowls. It's 200 calories per cup, 4 grams of protein and 40 grams of carbs. So I don't feel comfortable having like 40 grams of carbs in one meal unless my body just really is asking for that many carbs. Most days I don't need that much, but this is the white rice. And I know what some people are thinking, like, white rice, isn't that unhealthy? Not really if you pair it with other healthy things, I think. I've eaten white rice for off and on for like the past year or 2, and I'm fine. So, you know, try this out. Like I said, you just put it in the microwave for 1 minute and it's ready to eat. Is this Olipop soda. How cute. It's a strawberry vanilla flavor. So for those who don't know, I'm a Diet Coke lover. Like, my favorite soda of all time is Diet Coke. I can't live with, like, I crave one just about once or twice a month now, but I don't really buy sodas because they bloat me really bad. But I wanted to try this. I've seen this other YouTubers talk about this, Olipop, and I wanted to try it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of pricey. This was like almost $2.50 for 1 can. It's a sparkling tonic. I have no idea what it'll taste like. But when I taste test it, I'll probably put it on my Instagram or something, somewhere, my rating on it. But I really wanted to try this out. Like I said, this is the Olipop strawberry vanilla. I will let you guys know how this tastes. I've never had Olipop before, but I wanted to try it, okay? Guys, so that wraps up my little mini grocery haul. I told you guys I didn't buy much. I only spent around pretty close to $30 on this trip. If y'all are interested in seeing like meal prep videos for me, I'm telling y'all, if I ever make a meal prep video, I'm telling y'all I eat the most boring food. Nothing is interesting about it, I promise. But if y'all are interested in meal prep videos for me, let me know down in the comments below and I will get to working on that for y'all. So my starting like weight before I was in a little bit of a cut for a little while, but now, like I said, I'm trying to keep my weight pretty much the same or maintain my current weight. So I'm really trying to stay at the mid 130s, so 135, 136, 137. I'm really trying to stay in that range and not go over. And these are just some of the foods that help me stay, or currently helping me maintain my current weight. That you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I will keep you guys updated on my weight loss, like on my journey, my maintenance journey right now. If I decide to slim down a little bit more, I don't know yet. It just kind of depends. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.